What we've seen OPEC doing a lot lately is doing all the talking in the run-up to the meeting so that they can get that consensus and get through the meeting. So they will really be working for that. We're hearing that they are still in talks, really down to the wire, and it comes down to the quotas and the cuts that people are going to be implementing. The big one that we're looking for is Saudi Arabia, which has a voluntary cut of about 1 million barrels a day that they've put in place, and that runs through the end of this year, through the end of December. So we're really looking forward to seeing if Saudi Arabia is going to continue that. So far, analysts that we've been talking to say that they will continue it into next year, into the first quarter at least. And the way the market looks and the way the discussions look like they've been rounding up is that Saudi will have to extend that. And they're pushing the other countries also to keep to the 2024 quotas that they've already decided. Some of those African countries had been forced over the summer to give up some quota so that the UA could raise. So we're going to see how that plays out.
If we get an agreement and we do get those production cuts, where do analysts expect oil prices to go to?
Yeah, if there are additional cuts beyond what we already see now, Citigroup has said they see a short-term bump up in the price. Their expectation, though, is that it'll be a rollover of the current levels of cuts. And so just to remind there, that is that 1 million barrel cut from Saudi Arabia, plus the other OPEC members respecting what's already been decided for 2024. Russia also has some cuts on what they're exporting, so they've got some limits there. So that brings that group into the OPEC Plus group. But you know, really, what they're looking at is getting oil off the market, particularly the Saudis, getting oil off the market to get oil prices higher out of this 80, 85, below 85 range, and that's really what they're looking to see. And so far, we're seeing also U.S. stockpiles continuing to grow, and so that's obviously going to be a concern. So I think also this delay indicates that the OPEC Plus group, the Saudis in particular, we're seeing some warning signs in the oil market, Mark.